Hi, it's Turtle again for Readyhiker.com out here on the trail in another of our series of first aid videos. Today we're going to talk about sprains and strains. Something that doesn't happen frequently out here on the trail, however, but if it does occur, you could be in a little bit of trouble. Sprains and strains generally occur when you're coming back from your goal point. So if you were going to the top of the mountain, they generally occur on the way down. And here's the reason. You're tired, you're in a hurry, and you want to get back to your point of origin. We're not always the smartest when we're doing those things. So the way to avoid that is to first slow down. Make sure you know where you're going. Make sure you know where your feet are going. Make sure you know where your hands are going before you put them there. If you do happen to get a sprain ankle, sprain knee, and you're out here in the middle of nowhere, what do? Well, we're going to show you some things to do right now. A couple of things that I carry with me are extra shoelaces. And I carry those laces with me just in case I need to make a splint. I take these shoelaces, wrap them around a couple pieces of stick, and then I fasten them above the joint and below the joint if it's your knee. If it's your ankle, it's a little more tricky, but we're going to show you how to do that as well. So take a look here. Here's how to fasten it for your knee.
Okay, go ahead.
So first, take the stick, place it on the outside of the leg, wrap your string around it, tie a half knot or a half hitch on there, wrap it around the leg a couple of times, then to the end on the inside, attach it to the other leg. Or attach the string to near the end of the stick, wrap it around the leg as well as the stick, then place the other stick on top of the lace, wrap it around the leg as many times as you can, and tie it off to the inside stick. Do that above the joint and below the joint. Now, for your ankle, that's a little more tricky. Because of the way the joint is situated, it's a little more difficult to use sticks. However, you can in a bind. If you have one of these, we all know them, they're called Ace bandages. If you have one of these in your pack, you're going to save yourself a lot of heartache. Now, one of the things that a lot of people do when they twist their ankle is try to remove your shoe. I'm going to tell you, if you wear a boot that's even 3/4 or a high top boot, do not take off your boot. If anything, tighten them up a little bit. What's going to happen is your ankle is going to be weakened and it's going to make it difficult for you to walk. But you want to keep moving. If you sit down and you let that blood and fluid pool in that area, it's going to make it stiff, it's going to make it more painful, and it's going to make it very, very difficult for you to get out of wherever you are. So, wrap it, tighten up your boot, and keep moving. If you have ice, that's great. Apply that. Remember, do not apply ice directly to the skin. It could cause numbing, it could cause some problems later on. Once you do that, like I said, keep moving, make your way out. Don't try to keep going forward to your goal. Keep moving off of the trail and get yourself to safety. So, if you have a sprain, you have a strain, one of the important things to do, keep moving, get yourself off the hill. Don't be that guy. Don't make the EMT come out to get you. Keep moving, make your way off the hill, make your way out to the end of the trail, and be a ready hiker. Don't be that guy.